Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we'll show you how to add follow button to Facebook page. So, let's dive right in. To begin, open the Facebook app and log into your Facebook account. Then, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. After that, tap on drop-down icon and choose your desired Facebook page. Once you have switched your Facebook page, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Then, tap on your Facebook page profile. This will redirect you into the Facebook page. Now here, tap on the three dots button, just below to your Facebook page name. From the list, choose Add Action button. Then, tap on Edit button. Now here, you can select any action button want to add on your page. Facebook does not directly provide the follow button here. To the follow button, you will need to contact Facebook customer support. So for this, shake your phone with hand. A pop-up drop-down will appear. Select Report Problem button. Now, in Describe the Issue box, you can request to Facebook to add follow button for your Facebook page. To send the request, tap on the Send button in the top right corner. And there you have it. With this method, you can add follow button on Facebook page. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.